How do you know if your marriage is really bad enough to call it quits? A lot of people who call our office ask this question and they really wonder, is it bad enough? Should I keep working at it or what? I'm Katherine Miller, and I've been a matrimonial family attorney in New York City and New York State for over 30 years. And I also have a podcast, and I recorded a really interesting podcast today on just that topic with Dr. Thomas Jordan, who founded the Love Life Institute and is really about figuring out what to do to repair your love relationship if it can be. And first of all, he made a really interesting distinction between love and the love relationship. And he talks about developing the love relationship separate from those wonderful feelings of love and how rare it is that we actually think about doing that in a really proactive, structured way, crafting the relationship separate and apart from the feelings of passion and that wondrous feeling that everybody has at the beginning of a love relationship. And so I thought that was a really interesting thing to help answer this question about how do you know? And I asked him that question in the interview, and he said two things. One, if your relationship has really stopped growing and stopped evolving, and you feel really stuck and there's no movement as each individual, each partner matures and grows in their own personal lives, then the relationship stops evolving along with it. Well, that might be a reason to call it quits if you can't do anything to change that. And the other reason he said was that if there's an unhealthy pattern in the relationship that goes unaddressed, or that the partner, the abusive partner, or whatever it is, the difficulty between the partners, it won't be worked on. One person refuses to work on it, then that is a sign that the marriage really would be better off ended. I would invite you, if you're interested in learning more about this interview or others, to look for divorce dialogues wherever you listen to podcasts and subscribe to know more from Tom Jordan, myself, and a lot of other divorce experts. Thanks for listening.